Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1972 Dodge Challenger. Neat car. This car is a factory JS VIN Rallye Challenger. It is also a factory H-Code 340 car, and it is also a factory D21 4-speed original TX9 black car with white interior. So neat car, a lot of options that are super cool. It is a Rotisserie Restored car. Bottom of the car is painted body color. You can see it's they've resto modded it a little bit. It's got four-wheel disc brakes with 17-inch billet rally wheels. And very nicely done. It's got the sport hood. A little hard to describe it. It's an older restoration that's had a lot of upgrades, is what I'll say. Supposed to be like 1,000 miles on the actual drivetrain on this car, but I don't think I think the paint and stuff like that were done a little bit ago. I don't think real long ago, but I would say it's been done for a little bit. Nice car, really hits the road good. And again, this is a factory TX9. I think they call it Black Diamond in 72. Apologize about the dust and stuff, but it's wind's whipping around here today. It's got everything up in the air, so. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got GForce, BF Goodrich ZR rated GForce rubber all the way around it. You can see it's got the correct rally rear valance with the chrome tips. This stuff is really nice. They've definitely had to replace that. Car sits good. Got the pop-out fuel fill. Again, four-wheel disc brakes. Factory H-Code 340. This is not the matching numbers engine. It's actually got a 71 date-coded 340 in it. Holley Performance 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake. It does have the matching numbers 4-speed manual transmission in it though. Aluminum water pump. It's got the Mopar radiator with a shroud. It is stainless steel disc brake company, 4-wheel disc brakes, and it also has the vacuum booster for it. Headers, electronic ignition. There's your fender tag. We also have the broadcast sheet for the car. A lot of cool options. Door seams are nice and clean. Looks like new door panels in it. I think the front seats have been replaced. No, they have. They're all redone. I believe this is the original rear seat. Got new mats on the way for it. Again, bucket seats, center console. It's got the stock pistol grip shifter in it. Billet steering wheel. It has a Dakota VHX gauge cluster in it. AM/FM radio. It's got your plug-in in there for the radio too. I think it's got one of those, I don't know, aftermarket retro sounds radio in it. Does have frame ties, 8 3/4 rear gear. No big gear in it though. They definitely built this car to cruise. Does have front and rear sway bars. Again, it's all body color in here. Again, broadcast sheets in here. A couple little receipts, nothing big though. They've more got like the manuals for the stuff for the brakes and the gauge cluster and everything. Very nice underneath. Again, car was done on a rotisserie. As always, there's photos underneath of the car. Stressing this to everybody, guys. Pick up the phone and call us if you're looking at one of our cars. 248-620-3355. A lot of scams going on right now. Cloning websites, just stealing pictures. It's just craziness. Yeah, these are all brand. These have been all recovered and everything. That's your plug-in, I'm telling you, for the radio. Nice little cam to it. Car runs out strong. There you go. You can hear that cam working. Gauges are functional, showing 1,083 on your odometer in there. Looks like all the gauges are working, holding good old pressure. Backup lights do work. Got the resonator exhaust on it still too, which is pretty cool. And radio all works, blower motor works. Everything opens and closes real nice. Oh, we got a, we need to fix that wiper arm. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our YouTube page. You should definitely subscribe to that. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. You can also check us out on Facebook, Instagram. You can now subscribe to our website. Well, that car hits, boy. It sounds real good.